Welcome, this is Echo Gamer Show on the Echo Gaming channel. So today we will be reviewing our 3D print that we made for a 3D logo. I'm going to be showing you how to make it 3D printed and paint it. So first, let's start off where we were in the last video, where we had the Tinkercad. When we went to Tinkercad, you see this. So you click it, and then you click download. Click download, you see it for OBJ, you click it, and then you'll see it downloading. So wait for it to download. There we go. And so here we go. Here it is. This is the object. Okay, so we can close that. It's downloaded. And then we go to this website called 3D Hubs. This website 3D prints stuff for you by using this 3D printing thing. So if you want to 3D print something, you click order parts, and yeah, see, look. So if we want to do select technology, 3D printing we want to do. So we can put our file here, and here's the object. So here is our object. So you see it says it's too small to print. You see it's millimeters. So we want to change units to centimeters right here. There we go. So see, now it's centimeters. And yes. And so yeah, this is how it looks like. Will look like. See, look, this is how the comparison size with a banana. It's pretty cool. And here's the x-ray. You can see what's in the inside and the wireframe. So today we want to put it at PLA, because PLA is for like big things. We wanted to do ABS for like, it says it's like standard, and it does like better detail. So we would want to do detail, and all these other things have different things. Like this would be like other like types of plastic or metal or some other stuff, but probably not metal. And this, so we want to do types of ABS. So we'd want to do standard. There are different types of ones, and then the process you would want to do is FTM. So let's start with the settings. These were the settings, but we can do these settings also. So we want to do the infill. That's like how much you want to fill in the inside of this. So this is really tiny, so we don't really have to fill it up. So like 20%, it's the lowest, so you can just keep it like that. The layer height, we should put it at 100, because this is how detailed it is. It'd be 400. It's like thicker strands of like the plastic tube, but like 100 is tinier and better detail. So if we picked 400, it would be like, it can like tear off easily, but if you do 100, it'll like be smaller detail and it'll look better. In color, we want to do no preference because we would want to paint it like sort of all white. So we should keep it at white, and we should choose white. We shouldn't keep it at this, because if it's any other color, maybe we won't be able to paint it that color. And we could just paint it like that. So I think that's everything that we need. And so yeah, so we click submit order, and yes, there is everything. So let's get started with our painting. So here's my camera. Here's my thing I've already painted, and I'll be painting it again for you guys over here. And so let's start painting. So on my paints over here, I have a really thick brush to do on the outside, and I would want to do that with red. Like you can see, the logo is with red, and then we could do the inner with blue with a really thin brush, because you don't want to get any white. So let's start with our red first, because yeah. So let me get some red paint out. It's white, and you're supposed to shake it, and let's put it down. We don't have to put that much because we're not painting that much. So here's our brush. We want to use this side. And okay, so let's start. So we'll get this thing. We'll start painting it just like this. And then you can paint it all around. Like this, just like this. So I'll just be doing a little section for you guys today. Okay, so there's this little top part. As you can see the sides right there. They haven't been painted, and the inside, like right here, hasn't been painted. So we would want to do this side first. So let's get more paint and color the side. So just like that. So there's the side. If you want it to show up better, maybe you can put a little more paint down. But if you want it to show up, you can put coats down. But if you just want to show it like a little light, but it's still a good color, you don't have to put as many paints down. But it's still looking. So just paint that, just like that. Okay. So there's our paint. And now we might be done with our red for now. So let's put that in our water. And let's get to our thin things. So let's do our white. And so if you want to do white, like we just want to put the letters in white because there might be like some like 3D printing mistakes. Like you might see some, like you see like those little holes on the letters. Yeah, so that's what we want to fill up with the white paint. Let's get our white paint. And put it down. Just like that. Let's just do 4 letters, the echo. So we get our paint like that. We would want to cover up the white so there would be no holes at all. Just like this. So this might take some while. This one took me an hour and a half to make. It was fun. I liked it. And if you guys are doing this right at home, you'll be like, wow, that took a long time. And yeah. And you see, I accidentally put my paintbrush in white. And so when we see all the like little spots filled up, go to the next letter. Okay. Let me see. Let's do our next letter. And there's our H. So I'll just do that for now. And I think we're done with our letters. You see like the O and the H, you can see like a difference between the E and the C. I think there are not as many holes, but just like that. So then we need to draw our blue. That'll be in the inside, like that. So let's wash our white, dry it off. Let's get some blue. Make sure you shake your paints. You put them down. And let's just do around the E and R right here. So you would want to make sure you don't get any of the sides of the letters. And yeah, you see, like you can see, like you should be really careful with this. Like, make sure you're not really getting any of the sides. And and after you do this, you should do the inside in red also. Like there's like this little slab on the side right here that is white. You can kind of see right there. And it's all white right there. And you would want to paint that with white also. So you should be really careful painting around the letters. just like that. Let's go keep, oh no, oops, I messed up. And if you mess up, maybe you can like brush it off with your finger and you can wash your fingers later. See, look, it's not there anymore. Yeah, there we go. So we're already done with our blue for now. And yeah, there's our little demonstration of how to do all 3 colors of our logo. And now we should just do it all around. You just make sure when you do this, you should be super, super careful. So here's our thing that we just painted. Here's the full result of what we painted. Just like that. Okay, so see you. Bye.